Hi YouTube. Um, this is gonna be a Gucci unboxing and a little bit of an explanation why I think this item is a good choice for whoever's looking for a luxury piece that will be more like a statement and like something that you can wear with everything. So this is what I got. It came in the classic Gucci box and bag. And this is the box that it came inside. It did come with the bow and everything with a tie, but I had to remove it because I couldn't wait. So it opens like this, and here is the bag that I got. Excuse me, my everything. I'm just doing it because I would like to share what I think about this item. This is this bag. It just has Gucci in front, and it's a silky material. It feels light and soft. It has the black pull strings. So I put back the wrapping because I'm that crazy. Just to make sure it's protected. Okay, so this is the bag that I got recently, and it is called the Gucci Padlock, and the medium size. And this is with black and brown. And the gold hardware. This bag can be worn short and long. It's not that long, but mid-length. It has the key holder or clochette. I don't know if that's the name for Gucci as well. And it has two keys in here that you could actually lock the bag, and it features this nice gold padlock in front of it. This is the Supreme coated canvas all over the front and the back. The back also features a skinny pocket that will probably fit a phone, I'm assuming. I don't think I would put a phone here though, but I think it does fit. And it has black leather inside, and it has the more common microfiber like interior that Gucci does for most of the bags, I believe. I don't know if I can show you properly, sorry. And it has a zipper pocket on one side, and it has two little pockets on the other side. I think these are very handy. And the funny thing is that the whole lining of this bag comes off like so. So I think that makes it I think that's a good feature because it makes it easy for cleaning. I am a little bit of clean freak when it comes to bags, so that's always something nice. And you can also wipe it out if you need to. And I picked this item because I wanted to have like a more adult-like item in my collection. I have a lot of crossbodies, and I have like toads, and I do have something like this, but it's not this size. I have like a small Tory Burch Fleming that is kind of like the same style, but I didn't have anything this style that's like put together and mom-like. And I also feel like this item is not a trendy item. I think this is a very classic piece that you could wear with most anything because it's so neutral. The colors are very beautiful, and it's just screams classic to me. It doesn't have any bottom on any feet on the bottom, and it's black in the bottom. But yeah, I think this bag is a great addition to like a piece that won't go anywhere, like a classic, but not like a Chanel expensive classic. Yeah, I really like this bag. I didn't see a lot of reviews. I did find Mel from Melbourne that she reviewed this, and this was like the video that really helped me make my decision on this bag. And I wanted to share because it's not that much of money when it compares to other luxury pieces, and for the size you can definitely fit a lot of things. I don't have my handbag here to do like a what's in my bag, but I could definitely do this. But mainly I just wanted to share this bag for I don't know, maybe someone that might be looking to buy their first piece. I've seen this bag in the mini size, like the little small one, which is probably up to here the size, and maybe a little shorter, and the Padlock is the same size, but that one's very popular and is very cute. But no, I just really wanted something big, like something that I could fit everything I need without like having to leave something behind. So yeah, this was my, I don't know, presentation or opinion or review on the Gucci Padlock GG Supreme in black and brown with gold hardware. And yeah, if you have any questions or if you want to see any more in-depth details on this bag, just let me know and I will happily do that. Thank you. Have a good day.